Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to be presenting my insights on a research paper on the topic Internet of Things is a revolutionary approach for future technology enhancement. This research paper has been chosen under the subject of Internet of Things, and I am Kritika Tang from 7th semester Bhaskara from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. So let's get on with this. Firstly, this paper discussed the rise of IoT, that is, Internet of Things, discussing the opportunities and challenges it offers. So, the Internet of Things is rapidly transforming in our world. So, like connecting devices and systems in a way before like we never imagined. This interconnectedness is driving innovation across various industries. Like we cannot even imagine them, from smart cities and healthcare to manufacturing and energy. As we dive deep into the world of IoT, we are exploring various exciting opportunities and challenges that lie ahead. So let's look at them. Next thing discussed in this paper was about market structure and the rising trends. So the IoT market is segmented into various sectors with a strong focus on smart city and industrial IoT. These areas are driven significant growth and innovation as businesses and many businesses and governments seek to leverage connected technologies for efficient and sustainable use. Rising trends in IoT that were seen are like smart cities that are embracing IoT for traffic management, environmental monitoring, and public safety. Connected health is also a revolutionized healthcare delivery system with remote patient monitoring, personalized treatment, and many much more innovation coming up. Smart supply chains are optimizing logistics and inventory management, leading to cost saving and improved efficiency. Further on, the paper addressed the environmental impact of IoT. First impact that it majorly focused on was fossil fuel reliance. The production and operation of IoT devices often rely heavily on fossil fuels, contributing to greenhouse gas emission and environmental degradation. The second concern that it addressed regarding environmental impact was e-waste concerns. With the rapid growing of IoT devices raised concerns about e-waste generation, as discarded device can pose environmental hazards if not properly managed. The third environmental issue that was addressed was resource availability. With increased demand of raw materials using IoT devices raised concerns about resource scarcity and need for sustainable source practices. Next, it discussed that how IoT can be made in sustainable using sustainable energy and help environment. So, first approach that they gave was energy digitalization. The transition to renewable energy is being accelerated by IoT technologies, enabling real time monitoring and control of energy generation and distribution. Second is smart grids. IoT plays a crucial role in optimizing energy management by enabling demand response and load balancing and grid stability. The third point was smart buildings and smart homes. With IoT enabled smart buildings and homes, it optimizes energy consumption through in intelligent lighting, intelligent hardware, and appliance management. Lastly, was waste management. IoT sensors and tracking systems are revolutionizing waste management, enabling efficient collection and sorting and recycling processes. Next, we are going to discuss the role of IoT in smart cities and basically the enable technologies in smart cities. The first role is as a sensing node. These nodes will gather data from environments, such as temperature, humidity, traffic flow, like from satellites, from people sending the messages like I'm stuck in traffic and all. The second technology it enables is power management. Efficient power management techniques are crucial for extending battery life in IoT devices because basically IoT devices are very small in size. So, like in a small area, you need to fix a big battery so that we are able to connect and use it for a longer lifetime. The third is as radio units. Radio units enable communication between IoT devices and the network infrastructure. Internet is a big thing in now smart cities. Everything works on internet. Even IoT devices works on internet. So as a radio unit, IoT devices play a major role in enabling technologies in smart cities. Now let's discuss IoT microcontrollers and selection comparison. For IoT, we use microcontrollers like building IoT devices. So selection of which microcontroller or microprocessor to use for a specific IoT device is varies too much, and getting the right choice really enhances the how your component will behave. So the first parameter on which a microcontroller or microprocessor is selected is power consumption. Power consumption, this criteria to look at is very important so that it is essential for extended battery life in wireless IoT devices. If you're carrying a medical IoT device, you really would not want to charge it every single day or like twice in a day. That is not what a patient needs. So they might be looking for a microcontroller with extended battery life so that wireless devices can be used for 2 to 3 days maximum. The second criteria that we look at while selecting microcontrollers for IoT devices is connectivity options. Like if it is a medical IoT devices, we need to connect it with the hospital or the user's personal data are being stored in the IoT devices. They need to be transferred somewhere. So how this transfer of data will take place? It takes place through Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, cellular networks. So we need support for various communication protocols like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular networks. The third criteria we look for when we are selecting a microcontroller for an IoT device is integrated peripherals, like example a smartwatch. A smartwatch nowadays can call people, can save contacts, can set timer, will check your heart rate and stress and everything. So there are built-in sensors for a small device like a smartwatch to do all these functionalities. That is also what micro we look at in a microcontroller, that how many peripherals it can integrate itself with, like sensors, analog to digital converters, timers for specific IoT tasks. The fourth criteria that we look when we're selecting a microcontroller or device for IoT is memory capacity. There should be sufficient memory for storing program data, code, and configuration settings. Every IoT device is programmed, and that program stays on microcontroller. So we need to look for how much storage this microcontroller provides that our program is efficiently stored. Lastly, the paper addressed IoT in healthcare, e-healthcare, and ambient assistant living. Firstly, they addressed as the aging population, the increasing number of elderly individuals worldwide. Necessary, it is necessary to develop technology that supports independent living and improve their quality of life. The next one was AAL application. IoT enables AAL system provide monitoring, safety, and support for daily living and daily activities, promoting independence and high well-being. Lastly, they address the challenges in AAL systems. Challenges including capturing daily habits, ensuring data privacy, and integrating AAL systems with existing healthcare infrastructure. They also discuss IoT in transportation, logistics, and low carbon products. So, smart location management was the first point. Smart location management system leverages IoT technologies to optimizing transportation and logistics. This system utilizes GPS tracking, RFID tags, and sensor networks to monitor the location and status of vehicles, goods, and assets in real time. The second point was efficiency and sustainability. By providing real-time visibility into movements of code, smart location management system enables efficient route planning, optimizing delivery schedules, and reduced transportation cost. This leads to improved fuel efficiency, low carbon emissions, contributing to more sustainable transportation. Thank you everyone for listening onto the review of Internet of Things, opportunity, issues, and challenges towards a smart and sustainable future. These were other things that were addressed in the research paper that is linked down below. Let's see you in the next video.